Hello friends, welcome back to another design tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to design a professional institute admission flyer using MS Word. Even if you don't know advanced design software, you can still create an attractive flyer in Word with some simple tools and formatting tricks. This design will be very useful for schools, colleges, or coaching centers to promote their admissions. So, let's get started. First, I'll create a new document. Next step is page setup. For that, I'll click on the Layout tab. From here, I'll click on the Size option and select the page size as A4. You can also choose a different size if you want. Then, I'll set up custom margins. For that, I'll click on the Margin option and select Custom Margins. Here, I'll set 0.5 centimeter margins on top, bottom, left, and right. Now, I'll start designing the flyer. First, I'll create the flyer background. For that, I'll insert a rectangle shape. To insert the rectangle, I'll go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and then choose Rectangle. Now, I'll draw the rectangle on the page. Next, I'll apply a gradient fill to this rectangle. To do that, I'll select the rectangle, right-click, and choose Format Shape. From the Fill options, I'll select Gradient Fill. Here, I'll create a two-color gradient. For that, I'll remove the extra gradient stops and then select my preferred colors. If you want the exact color codes, just comment below and I'll share them. Now, I'll insert another rectangle shape. I'll change its fill color, remove the outline, and resize it properly. After that, I'll add the heading of the flyer. For this, I'll insert a text box. Inside this text box, I'll type Admission. I'll choose a font for this text, increase the size, color, and set the alignment to center. After that, I'll remove both the fill and outline color of the shape. Now I'll duplicate this text box. In the new text box, I'll type Open For. I'll do the text formatting just like before. Now, I'll duplicate this text box. In this new text box, I'm writing a year as an example. Here, you can write this year or the ongoing session. After that, I'll copy this text box, and here I'll add a date. After that, I'll select all the text boxes by holding the Control key and align them to the center. I'll insert a student's picture. For that, I'll go to the Insert tab and select Picture. To move the image easily, I'll go to Wrap Text and choose the In Front of Text option. Now I'll resize the image. After that, to remove the background of the picture, I'll select the picture and click on Remove Background from the Picture Format tab. MS Word will automatically make a selection. I'll manually select the areas that were not included. After that, I'll add a shadow effect to the picture. Now, I'll insert a shape, a rounded corners rectangle. I'll increase the roundness of the shape's corners. I'll change the fill color of this shape and remove its outline. Then, I'll rotate the shape and place it behind the student. For that, I'll select the student picture, right-click, and choose the Bring to Front option to place the picture above the shape. Now, I'll insert a logo image. Insert the logo of the institute you're creating the flyer for. To move the image easily, I'll go to Wrap Text and choose the In Front of Text option. Now, I'll resize the image. After that, I'll insert a text box and add the service-related information of the flyer. Then, I'll do the basic formatting of this text. After that, I'll remove both the fill and outline color of After that, I'll copy and paste the text box. In this text box, I'll add some dummy text. Then, I'll add a few points in bullet style. Now, I'll add the contact-related information. I'll insert a rectangle. I'll change the fill color of this shape and remove the outline. Then, I'll adjust the position of the text. After that, I'll design a discount banner using an oval and a rectangle, where I'll write 50% off now. Now, I'll insert an oval shape. I'll change its fill color, remove the outline, and then add an effect to it. I'll insert a rectangle shape. I'll change its fill color, remove the outline, and resize it properly. To bring the oval shape to the front, select the oval shape, right-click, and choose Bring to Front. Now, I'll insert a text box. And here I'll write 50%. I'll choose a font for this text, increase the size, color, and set the alignment to center. After that, I'll remove both the fill and outline color of the shape. Now I'll duplicate this text box. In the new text box, I'll type "Off Now." After that, I'll duplicate the text box, and here I'll write our benefits. Now, I'll insert a text box. Next, I'll add some dummy text here. After that, I'll remove both the fill and outline color of the shape. Now, I'll add the address-related information. Finally, I'll do a little picture correction for the student's photo. I'll increase the sharpness, brightness, and contrast of the image. For printing, convert the file into a PDF format and then print it. That's it for today's flyer design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.